Hello friends, today I am going to teach you cutting and stitching of E-shaped kurti. The measurement is like this: length 40 inch, shoulder to shoulder width 12 inch, shoulder length 7 inch, chest 42 inch, waist length 14 inch, waist 36 inch, hip length 23 inch, hips 43 inch, bottom width 28 inch. Front neck length 6.5 inch, back neck length 7.5 inch, neck width 6 inch, sleeve length 9.5 inch, half armhole 5.75 inch. This is my all suit fabric. For A-shaped kurti, we need fabric equal to double of length plus 2 inch plus sleeve length plus 1 inch. We need near about 2.5 meter of cloth for making A-shaped kurti of this measurement. This is my all suit fabric, so I cut required fabric for my kurti and from the rest I will make the bottom part. For this, first from the open side take length plus 2 inch, that is 40 plus 2 makes it 42 inch, mark it and cut it. After cutting, match the pattern of the fabric by flipping up the upper cloth onto the lower cloth, and now fold the fabric in 4 layers like this. After folding, now we do drafting. First mark all the lengths from one end. Shoulder length is 7 inch. Waist length 14 plus 0.5 inch is equal to 14.5 inch. Hip length is 23 plus 0.5 inch. It makes it 23.5 inch and total length is already cut. Now go again on top and mark half of shoulder to shoulder width plus half inch, that is 12 divided by 2 plus 0.5 inch makes it 6.5 inch widthwise. Take 6.5 inch at shoulder length also and 6 inch to widthwise and join these 2 points to upper 6.5 inch point. All the upper portion of A-shaped kurti is same as simple kurti, only at the bottom width we do different drafting for A-shaped kurti. Now take 1/4 of chest plus 2 inch, that is 42 divided by 4 makes it 10.5 inch plus 2 inch is equal to 12.5 inch. Now come at waist length, mark 1/4 of waist plus 2 inch, that is 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9 plus 2 inch is equal to 11. Mark at 9 and 11 inch. Join these two with chest mark in parallel manner. Now come at hip length, take 1/4 of hips plus 1.5 inch, that is 43 divided by 4 is equal to 10.75 plus 1.5 makes it 12.25 inch. Now join the hips mark with waist mark in a curve manner. Now come at end, take half of bottom width plus 1.5 inch, that is 28 divided by 2 plus 1.5 inch makes it 15.5 inch. Now join these points to outer hip mark in A-shaped line. Now do front and back curving of sleeves, mark neck width and then make a half inch slant line till shoulder length. Neck width is 6 inch, that is 6 divided by 2 makes it 3 inch. Mark it and make a half inch slant line till shoulder length. I took 15.5 inch for my bottom width of my A-shaped kurti. You can take more as per your requirement. Cutting is done like this. After that, separate back piece and do front sleeve cutting also. We need fabric for sleeves equal to sleeve length plus 1.5 inch. We don't do hemming in this, only machine stitching, that is 9.5 plus 1.5 makes it 11 inch. First match the pattern of the kurti and sleeves. Now fold it equal to the shoulder length plus 1.5 inch. I will follow new step to make these sleeves, that is 7 plus 1.5 inch makes 8.5 inch widthwise. Now from open side mark 4.5 inch. Usually range is 2.5 to 4 inch. Because this is deep cutting, so we are marking at 4.5 inch. And from opposite side mark near about 3 inch to do curving like this. Now front sleeve curving is done like this. Now on the other end, take half armhole plus 1 inch, that is 5.75 plus 1 makes it 6.75 inch. Mark it and join it to 4.5 inch mark in a slant manner. Cutting is done like this. Open it in 2 layers and now cut front sleeve curving. After cutting of sleeves, now first we make front neck and back neck on our kurti and join shoulders. I have already taught you this, link is in the description. After doing all this, I'll proceed further. Now do side fitting of kurti. This is also done like simple kurti. After that we attach sleeves to the kurti. First we have to do the sewing on the wrong side by double folding. We don't do hand stitching or hemming in this. In this we do double machine sewing, first on double fold and other on the boundary of the fabric. Do this on both sleeves. Now place kurti half inch above the sleeve and mark a point at fitting line on sleeves, and on opposite side mark half of armhole and make a slant line. Now stitch sleeves to kurti and do this on both sides. After that, do double stitching at bottom width as we did at sleeve portion like this. Do the same stitching on back piece bottom width also. After that, now fold slits by single machine stitching. For this, double fold slits and sew it alongside very carefully as it is in a A shape. While stitching, when you come at hip length, the slits should be properly sewn without any in-between bulges. For the second stitching, first start from one side and continue stitching till the other slit end like this. Now rotate fabric and do stitching on bottom width. Now we come to the slit of other side, then do stitching there, and like this we do swing and we will come to the other bottom width. And after completing this, I will upload a picture of it. If you like my video, then hit like button, and if you are new here, then subscribe for more such videos. In the next video, I will teach you a new cutting or a new stitching in a simple way. Thank you.